Alright guys, so this is a GE dishwasher sump assembly. You have your wash motor, you have your drain pump, and your float switch. Turbidity sensor would be here. So a viewer asked me they were having some issues with their dishwasher, so I figured just make a video. I had when I couldn't find it, I wanted to upload it, but so here it is. So I think his issue with his dishwasher was it is not opening this. So at a certain point during the wash, the dishwasher will open the detergent thing and it will release the pod or whatever detergent. It will fall out. So your board at a certain time sends 120 volts to this. It's a solenoid and it basically just boop, it activates and it releases this. So we're going to plug. So what we have here is a jumper lead. I have quite a few of these for different units. It makes diagnosing sometimes on the go a lot faster. Sometimes if the board, you can't access the board. This video should be for my Patreon, but I'm sharing it here. This will help somebody. So let's say your dishwasher is not draining because you have a bad board is not sending power to the drain pump. You can manually drain your dishwasher by powering it up. And same thing with the wash pump. You can always check your wash pump. If the wash pump kicks on, you know your board is bad. You're in and out, but not just in and out, but in and out correctly. So we're going to check this guy. Okay, so now we're going to turn power on. So this is what your dishwasher would normally do. You're just washing along and all of a sudden, maybe we should put something in there. Detergent. Or pennies or detergent. So now I'm going to turn power on and I'll show you how it all works. All right, so let's see if you can see. All right, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. So what's happening is, let's take a look. We'll turn it back on one more time. Pay attention to up there. Massive solenoid. All right, so that's how that works. So if yours is not dispensing, it could either be the solenoid itself is bad, stuck. You can also pull these off, lubricate a little bit, or just change the entire piece. Pretty cheap. You do have the gasket, don't forget that if you do change it. All right, and I don't think anything was mentioned about these, but whatever. And so your float switch is here, and when water goes into your dishwasher, this is your switch. It goes up and down. That's how it knows when to turn water off. So if something were to get under here and it's not able to go up, you could have a flood condition with your dishwasher. So be mindful with this area. Keep your filter clean. Don't get any junk down in there, or try not to, right? So we're going to initiate the drain pump, the wash pump. This is the wash pump. All right, so 3, 2, 1. You don't want to run these for too long, just because they're water cooled, so you do not want to run them dry. That's a good pump, nice and quiet. Very good, smooth. Now I can run all of them at the same time, but defeats the purpose, right? All right, so now we're going to check the drain pump. So you can drain the pump, drain the dishwasher if you have to, or you can check the pump if the pump is good. And just fast and easy way of quick diagnosing. All right, so pump is going on. 3, 2, 1. Nice and quiet. All right, guys, and that's how you do that. Nice and short. Thanks for watching.